All right, today's the day. We start on the 1992 Foxbody Coupe Coyote swap project, and we're gonna begin with some teardown. Let's get into it.
Alright, so what you're about to see is we're pulling this 331 stroker out of the 92 Foxbody Coupe. We're getting the headers off, pulling the starter, everything like that to pull this motor out of this bad boy so we can move on to the Coyote swap and getting that in the car. Enjoy.
Oh no! Oh, clean up on aisle 4. Floor's gonna be clean.
So here I'm removing the transmission from the back of the 331 because we will be using this TKO transmission on the back of the Coyote as well.
No, stop spilling oil or coolant. All right, there you go. We got this Coyote swap started. We're moving on. I know this is a short video, but we got a lot of stuff coming. Rodney has ordered a ton of parts this past week, so once those parts come in, we're going to be documenting everything we're doing to get this thing in there. New K member, 5-lug swap. What else is he doing? I'm trying to remember. We got to upgrade the gas. The fuel system in the car has to be upgraded. So we got a gas tank and new fuel pumps and all that stuff to get the return system ran. Make sure we got enough pressure going to the motor. And get the new transmission, not new transmission, but get the transmission mounted up to the Coyote. We got the bell housing for that. New coilovers for the front. And of course with the 5-lug, new wheels. I don't know what Rodney's decided on yet, but we'll see what happens. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and like these videos so that you get notifications when we have new videos coming. We got a lot of good content on this project coming. Give you a little update. I just got the new struts for the Mach 1, so we'll have that back on the road very shortly so we can hopefully get this oil system issue addressed so that the turbo is not leaking oil past the seals anymore. We have identified that as the problem, is why it smokes under boost. Once we get that addressed, then we can tune the car properly for street driving, a little bit of track action, and then it's going to be full steam ahead on the Miata project. I have recently been watching the Unicorn versus the World episodes, and I'm extremely interested in possibly building the world's fastest Miata to go up against the Unicorn and Ken Block. I don't know if I can pull it off before they're done with the series, or if by the time I finish it they'll allow this to continue or not, but it would be super fun to build the fastest Miata in the world to chase down the Unicorn and see if it's even possible, because as you all know, right now nobody can catch the Unicorn. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next episode. Always remember to eat, pray, wrench.